Hey guys, and welcome to my shop. This week I want to build a headlight for my sidecar, and I have just the perfect thing to start with. I found this lamp on a scrapyard about 2 years ago, and I just knew that I wanted to do something with it, but I never knew what exactly until I built the sidecar. So the first thing I need to do is find out what exactly is broken, which parts are still working, and what is it that I want to keep for the project. For example, there was a battery down here. I don't think we're going to need this at all. I think I'm just gonna get rid of the complete lower part and just keep this beautiful light on top. If I really get it to work again, the last thing I want to do is make a little cover for this glass. You can see these little clips. So there was something there to cover it, and I want to make a really cool design and work with plexiglass and aluminum to make this thing look awesome. But first things first, let's take this apart.